and share and subscribe and like.
In this video, we will discuss another uh, type of integration of irrational algebraic functions, and it is of the type 1 divided by under root of ax square plus bx plus c into under root of px plus q. We need to substitute here in such a type of integration. We put the under root term px plus q equal to t square. Then you can see that we have px equal to t square minus q and x equal to t square minus q divided by p, and p into dx equal to 2t into dt, dx equal to 2 divided by p, t into dt. So that this integration 1 divided by under root of a x square plus bx plus c into this is not an under root into under root of px plus q into dx. This term is not in a root. Okay, so you can see that this will be converted into 1 divided by what is dx. Dx is 2 divided by p t into dt whole divided by a into uh, x square, that is x square t square minus q divided by p whole square plus b into x t square minus q divided by p plus c, and multiplied by here under root of px plus q, that is a t. Then this will be converted into this will be converted into integration 2p into 2p into integration of dt divided by alpha t raised to 4 plus beta t square plus gamma, and we can apply the previous methods of the type 1 divided by ax square plus bx plus c. So now convert this integration into partial fraction by applying the method of partial fraction. We can integrate this type of integration. So friend, by substitution the under root term will be converted into a simple form of the type alpha t raised to 4 plus beta t square plus gamma, and then it will be of the type 1 divided by x square plus bx plus c. So apply the now reduce this factor into two factors and then apply the partial fraction method to integrate such a type of integration. Let us see example of these types so that your idea will be clear. Suppose if you want to integrate 1 divided by 2x square plus 3x plus 1 into under root of 2x minus 1 into dx, then easily what is our substitution? Under root term, that is 2x minus 1 equal to t square, then 2 dx equal to 2t into dt. So 2 will be cancelled and dx equal to t into dt, and from this we have x equal to t square plus 1 divided by 2. Substitute this value in this integration. Therefore integration of 1 divided by 2x square plus 3x plus 1 into under root of 2x minus 1 into dx equal to integration of 1 divided by 1 divided by 2 into x square. X square is t square plus 1 divided by 2 whole square plus 3 into t square plus 1 divided by 2 and plus 1 into under root term that will gives us t into dx. Dx is t into dt. Dt will be cancelled, and this is equal to integration of we have here uh, 2 everywhere. So look at this, we have here 4 and 2 and this 4 will gives us 2. So we take LCM from the denominator, and then it is in the denominator of denominator, so it will be come in numerator, and we have 2 divided by. So let us expand this. What we get now, t raised to 4 plus 2t square plus 1 plus 3t square plus 3 and plus 2, we have taken LCM, 2 into dt equal to 2 into integration of 1 divided by t raised to 4 plus 3 and 2 5t square 5t square plus 6 into dt. Now we can factorize this. See, the middle term is 5 and this is a 6. So see the factorization, 2 into integration of dt divided by t square plus 2 into t square plus 3. These are the factorization. Then this 1 divided by t square plus 2 into t square plus 3 equal to, we take at plus b divided by t square plus 2 and plus ct plus d divided by t square plus 3. Then this is equal to at plus b into t square plus 3 plus ct plus d into t square plus 2 whole divided by t square plus 2 into t square plus 3. Okay, then from this we have here 1 equal to a t raised to 3 plus 3 a t plus b t square plus 3 into b plus c t cube plus 2 c t plus d t square plus 2 into d. Right, then now we will find the values of a, b, c and d. We have 1 is equal to, now coefficient of t cube are a plus c. Okay, coefficient of t square plus t square into b plus d plus coefficient of t into 3a 3a plus 2c and constant term plus 3b plus 2 into d. So these are the constant terms. Now from this we have here a plus c equal to 0, a plus c equal to 0, and 3a plus 2c is also equal to 0. Okay, so if we take a equal to minus c, then minus 3c plus 2c equal to 0, and will gives us c equal to 0. C equal to 0 means a equal to 0. Okay, so b plus d equal to 0 b equal to minus d, and 3b plus 2d equal to 1. 3 minus d plus 2d equal to 1, minus d equal to 1, and d equal to minus 1. D equal to minus 1, b equal to 1. Okay, and hence the integration will be like this. This is equal to, you can see that this integration is converted into 2 into integration of uh, a we have taken at plus b, so 1 divided by t square plus 2 minus 1 divided by t square plus 3 into dt by using partial fraction. And it easily we know that this is a into 1 divided by under root of 2 into tan inverse of t divided by tan inverse of t divided by under root of 2 minus 1 divided by under root of 3 into tan inverse of t divided by under root of 3. Okay, so this is equal to 2 into uh, 2 into, let us put the values of t. 1 divided by under root of 2 into tan inverse of, what is our t? We have substituted 2x, 2x t square. Okay, so this will be under root of 2x minus 1 divided by under root of 2 minus 1 divided by under root of 3 into tan inverse of under root of 2x minus 1 divided by under root of 3. Okay, so friend, you have seen that how we have, yeah, obtained this type of integration by the substitution. Again we have substituted under root term, under root of px plus q equal to t square, and the integration will be easily integrable.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.